we will analyze how to perform serial mediation using AMOS. In serial mediation, there are several mediators in between independent and dependent variables. By default, AMOS gives you the total indirect effect. In this case, if we take output quality and intention, you may find three indirect effects. First one, output quality, trust and intention. Second one, output quality, attitude and intention. Third one, serial mediation, that is output quality to trust to attitude and intention. So if the hypothesis tests on the total indirect effect or the serial mediation, then that is fine. But if you are going to select a particular indirect effect, then you have to use user defined estimands. Here you can see when we perform mediation using the AMOS default, then you can refer total effect as well as indirect effect, that means the total indirect effect, and you can refer the significance. Now we will be seeing how to go and check for specific indirect effect. For that, we can fix regression weights. Just click on the arrow and you can name the regression weight. Here we have named as A1. Second, we have used A2. Then third, we have used A3. And fourth, we have used B1 as regression weights. Thereafter, you can define user defined estimand. For that, click at the bottom of and select the line below the path diagram tab, and you can click and select define new estimands. After that, you can write the estimand. Here you can see we have write down to check three mediation effects. One is output quality, trust and intention. Second one, serial mediation, that is output quality, trust, attitude and intention. And the third one, that is also serial mediation, that is subjective norms, trust, then attitude and intention. After writing the estimand, and you can have the titles as well for each indirect effects, then check syntax, and if it is okay, then save the estimand. Thereafter you need to run the estimand. For that, select the data file as usual, then go to analysis properties and use output tab, then select indirect effects and other things as required, then move to bootstrap. There you have to select bootstrap with 2000 samples and check bias corrected confidence interval and make it 95, then you can run it. Then please refer output of the AMOS. You can refer estimates, scalars, and under that you can refer user defined estimates. Thereafter you may refer estimates and visit matrices. You can see total effect, indirect effects, and direct effects. Then you can refer estimate and bootstrapping for significance of defined indirect effects. In this case, we can see that for the first and the second indirect effects, that means first one single mediation, second one serial mediation, and those two are significant, and the third one, that is also serial mediation, however that is not significant as per AMOS analysis output. With that, we will conclude the session. Thanks for watching.